So today is our final day of our digital puppetry and environment project. This is the second year we've been doing this. The first year was last year, and it was mostly focused on characters, and this year it's focused on environments. And we had a 2-week class, 8 to 5, pretty much like a day job, and tomorrow and the next day we're all going to be preparing to go to LA, where we'll pitch our project to the Jim Henson Company. So we spent the last 2 weeks developing a digital environment that works on the Oculus Rift, and the Oculus Rift really immerses you in the environment that we've all created. I personally did the concept art and some of the texturing for our group, and we've all been working in teams of 8 to develop this project. So I think my favorite part about this so far, in respect to the entire game design major, is that we've all been able to specialize in our own little categories and in the things that we really enjoy, and kind of experience how it would be actually being in the industry and working with a group to produce a game that other people are going to pay for and play. So it's been a really great experience. What that means is that as we all collaborate and decide upon our ideas and what we want the game to generally look and feel like, I'm the one who compiles what everybody said and makes it into a visual for everybody to understand. And then those visuals go on to the modelers so that they can use those as reference to actually create the environments. And then they actually came back to me and a couple other people in the group so we could texture the models and add in the colors and the feel and kind of the tactile idea of the environment. As far as time frame, what that meant for us and for me in particular is long hours during the day developing ideas and going back and just refining those images and inputting the information that I'm getting from my group members. There were several images that I finished and then had to go back in and rework because of new ideas that we had developed. A good example of that was yesterday, the last day of class. I spent 12 hours straight with maybe an hour break for lunch developing the outside of the ship. The Jim Henson Company was really excited to see that, and even though it's something that didn't go in-game, it's something that they really wanted to see and that we really wanted to develop so that we could show them that it's something we were really thinking about and considering. So as a game design artist in particular, I would really love to get into concepting. I'd really like to be the person on the team who compiles everyone's ideas and just condenses it into something that's easy to understand for a viewer and for, you know, a producer. That's a very popular role in the game design industry, and it's something that everybody wants to get into. So another thing I'm also looking at is user interface design. So you look at your computer, you look at the taskbar and all the icons on it, you look at your web browser and all of the little logos everywhere. That's what a user interface designer would do. And both user interface design and concept art is something I'm very interested in as a game design major.